Dude, Hook only needs 2 teammates. That's how much better she is, bro. Look at this. Wow. Oh, stars, give these trailblazers your blessings.
Oh, stars, give these trailblazers your blessing.
Sorry. All right.
No, don't.
22K, she's so broken. Dude, she is. Look at this. Whoa!
First shot. Now.
Nice. That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
To think of it, I haven't chatted with Sunny in ages.
Okay.
Let's go see what.
All right, calm down, Fisherman42. Let's do some MoC. Let's do some MoC. That didn't really teach me how to play Silverwolf, but hey. Okay, so preset lineup. I should have the Silverwolf one I just made, which is here. I'll use it there. And then for the wind one, should I play Blade? Chat, should I play Blade? 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 Let's play Blade. Aoife? Not Aoife. I was gonna say Ika. I want some bullshit in this team. Let's put... What's my blade speed? Is it 134? It's not. I'm base speed. Alright, let's play... Oh, fuck. Let's play Sparkle on 160. Oh, I can make him... Wait, I can give him Relic presets. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. This is literally what it's for. Oh my god. Okay, so... Oh, yeah. This is for, like, with Jade. Oh my god. Okay. Preset 1 is low speed. But is this the right... Okay, preset 1 is gonna be... Okay, I think I have a few breakpoints to go for. I'm gonna do one that's 134, one that's 0, and one that's like 4? 4? Because Jade gives like 30, right? It's 20 or 30, but I think it's 30. It's on her skill? Where the fuck is her skill? Hello? Yeah, 30. So I need either 4, which I think he's at right now. Yeah, 6, so 136. So this is one preset. So let's save this. Go here. Smart equip. Presets. Edit preset. No, wait. Confirm. And then I call it Jade Aboba. Then I make a new one. Edit, Edit preset. We go base speed on this one. So I can go better crit value. Which means... I think I still have 4, actually. Yeah. But my gloves can be this. New meme 4. This is better. Yeah. Okay. Confirm. Base. Then I make a new one. Add preset. Edit preset. Speed boots. And this we go for like no Jade, yes Sunday, you know? And then I can go the win set with Castris. So speed boots. Set as preset. Wait, what's my speed right now? 131. I need 134. New meme 4. How do I get that? Oh, I might need to go in like fucking a different planner. Whatever. It doesn't matter for now. I'll figure it out. That's cool though. Let's just play him with Jade. Let's play Jade. Jade Sunday. Jade Sunday. Jade Sunday? Where's Sunday? Sunny boy, where are you? Come out. Is he not my favorite? Oh, yeah, he's here. I have too many characters and favorites, bro. I don't think this really matters. Whatever. All right. Wait, I think my Hyacinth might not be on the right light cone, actually. Why is there no light cone presets?
Come to think of it,
Shut
I
up.
haven't chatted with Sunny in ages. Let's go see what he's
Fuck.
up to.
Yo, remind me to change it before I do some MoC. For some AA. Remind me to change it before I do AA.
That one is...
I'm not gearing for MoC 9. I just don't want Sunday to... I mean, Blade to look bad because he's broken. I'll just auto it because it's 9. But like, just observe the Master Blade at work. Observe the Master Blader. Observe the Master Blation. Wait, why is my Sunday? He's faster than my Blade now. Hell no! Alright. Something went wrong. Something went terribly wrong. That was the enemy, I think, though.
Savor it for me.
All good. Wait, that was good? Yo, 0 cycle. Oh my god, 150k blade? Oh my god, oh my god. Huh, sir. Wow. 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 Did Jade do 8k? I just remembered, I don't think my Jade has relics. Low key, bro. She might not have relics.
Let's have some fun.
Painful clouds scatter.
Who do I want in this team to have the... I guess Sparksy should have the buff, right? Because she scales with attack. Or how does the... Wait, let me read how the buff works again. I guess as long as they attack enough, right? It also gives them attack. Yeah. So I should probably enter combat with her or just re-E her. That's -1 skill point. I'll just auto it. Because it's fucking 9. I guess it doesn't affect the... It's non-convertible. Same with Robin. Oh. Well. Should I just chuck Woho here? I think I'll chuck Woho here.
Wiped him out.
I just did my preset team. Wait, let's manual this one, bro. I don't think it... Dude, you can't even play this team manual. It forces you into like 8 cutscenes.
All for the thrill.
I can't even click a button. Look. Oh, never mind. I can. Wait, I can! Wait, I have my ult.
Unlimited.
Or do I? No, it's not colored. Oh, I do have it.
Next round. Real gaming.
Whoa! Whoa! That was lit. Nice. Blade 0 cycled, bro.
Come to think of it.
Cool.
I haven't
Okay, let me
chatted
change my
with Sunny
preset
in
team. I don't know
ages.
why...
Let's go see what he
Yo, let me leave! I'm stuck! I don't know why PT is there, bro. T? Yo, put Woho in the bag.
Do you want to enter the
10? Why does my Jade have a red dot on her? Wait, what? The character doesn't have... Yo, Jade build? Oh, whoa, oh, whoa. Smart equip? Wow, Loki. What the fuck was I using on her? I don't even remember. Probably inert Salsodo because I'm a fucking Salsodo merchant. Thoughts? Thoughts? Why is it recommending me this? I know you love me. Honestly, bro, I'll use what you tell me, game. You're so smart. You're so smart. You're so smart, game. Wait, it didn't even equip it. Smart equip. Don't use this. Now let's apply it. Alright. I don't know if Blade can clear this. But I'll be damned if I don't try. Oh wait, there's Hule. Wait, he can... Wait, Blade fucks up Hule, bro. Blade literally fucks Hule. Wait, I'm still on PT. Bro. God, yes, man. God, yes.
To think of it, I haven't chatted with Sunny in ages. Let's go see what he...
They can't see me. They can't see me.
All
Pac-Man! Cool.
painful clouds scatter.
Just put the auto in the bag till you get to 12 deal.
Observe the
So how was your day, chat? Mine was pretty good. I just leveled up to level 999. Time for a bug. Sorry. Check my phone really quick. I need to pay my internet bill. Alright, I forgot to do that.
Next round. Real gaming. Bonus round.
Whoa. That was cool. Wow!
Don't thank me.
Holy fuck, 67,000? Or I guess it was 700k, I think.
Bonus round.
Whoa. There's so much shit happening, bro. Yeah. Elation is like the most, like, visual stimulus fucking path. Like you have to, for some reason, let's look at Sparksy's animations. It's the fucking Subway Surfer path. All right. Meanwhile, dude, watch this. This is what like an ethical team looks like. This is what ethical Star Rail gameplay looks like. Are you ready?
I always deliver.
Why is my Sunday above my blade? Wait, what happened? Alright, whatever, bro. I don't want to talk about it. I legit don't want to talk about it. Did I fuck something up? Alright, we don't need to talk about this, bro. I can't even... Wait, 275?
Your end approaches. Savor it.
That's fine. It takes a turn, but now we should be set up. Yeah, 7475. Thank you, Jade. I'm ulting.
There's no backing out now. For me or
Check their speed. No, I think it's just it's just the Jade buff. You know, we gotta use it. Alright, we don't need to look at that. Alright. This is good, bro. This is literally good. This is literally good. This is legit good. Yeah. Hule time! Hule time! I'm ready, bro. I'm ready for Hule. I'm ready. Well, let's just basic and blade ult. Might as well. Because his turn's gonna start. I'll waste some energy if I don't just use it. Good damage. Good. Yes! Yup. Basic. Then we Sunday. Ba, ba, ba. Back to blade. Ba, ba, ba. Yup. Cinema. Save it for me. Yo, things are 32 months.
Minus 32 months.
I can't thank you enough.
All right.
who's the little backstabber?
Me. It's me. Cinema. Yo, don't laugh at Jade, bro. Wait, she might be. There's a chance she's on a level 1 light cone, by the way. I should probably check, but I can't like pause. Oh no, it's level 80. I bet.
Watch over you and guide you on your path.
I have enough skill points. I have to re-E on you, but I think it's still gonna be fine. Actually, no, it won't, because E and then E. I'll just basic. Away we go! Actually, oh, yeah, I didn't have to E at his next turn. I don't want to use my ult, though. How the fuck do I kill him? Well, whatever.
That paradise, savor it for me.
Bro, did you see the Kachina birthday art? Not about Kachina, but the fucking... The Abobas next to her? Very cute. Very cute. The little Abobas? Zero cycle blade. Make the ground shake. Alright.
Bending the rules, are we?
Alright, bro. Alright. Yo, pack it up, bro. Pack it up. It's literally Jade, bro. It's not Blade. If Casters was here, Blade would clear. That rhymes.
Listen. There's no backing out now. For me or you.
Bro, I haven't played Jade in so long. Fat fuck.
Trinity is before them. Watch over you and guide you on your path.
Your team if you don't like and subscribe. True, bro. Except Blade. Blade's goated. Alright, nice. One cycle Blade, pretty good, bro.
Come to think of it, I haven't chatted with Sunny in ages. Let's
Um,
go see what he's up to.
okay, thoughts on playing for this half? Let's play Casto Blade, okay? Let's play Casto Blade. Because obviously, like, Everknight's good, but do you know who's better than Everknight? Exactly, Blade. So let's do Blade and Tribby. So for this one, let's do a new smart equip, custom plan, win set. Planner doesn't matter. I just need the most speed. I think my highest speed is like fucking a different set, but I'll do this for now. Wait, no, it's here. It's preset. Oh, that's what it is. Edit preset. Okay. I kind of need to take my Kafka's pieces, so I should probably save my Kafka's preset first. Let me do that. Kafka. It's okay. I do this once and it'll be saved forever, so it's okay to take a bit of time now. Smart equip. Custom plan. Add a plan. Wait, no. Preset. Add a preset. Confirm. Okay, so I have a preset. And then for Blade, I do smart equip, popular custom plan. No, preset, add preset, edit preset. I wish I could filter by speed here, but it's fine. 7 speed. Yep. 4 speed. Sure. 7 speed. Good enough. And then for ball, yo, I'm down. I'm actually down to take this. Yo, thoughts? 9 speed? I'm actually down. It gives me HP too. And then I get 11 here. But that's ERR. I mean, I'm actually down. I could also just keep Rudolent, but that might be too slow. 141? That's kind of too slow, bro. No way, bro. What about... Wait. Do I have Inert Sal... Dude, the Inert Salsodo Merchant returns? Do I have Inert Salsodo with speed? Fuck, I don't. Honestly, good enough, though. 145 speed? I'm gonna call this one, like, no. But I think I need more speed. Oh wait, Mighty's Lycone. I get fucking HP, fucking damage, bet. No, this actually might be worse. I think I need the crit rate. Actually. All right, let's try this. Whoa.
They can't see me.
Yao Guang? Sparksy? You?
Have some fun.
I need to give him 160 speed for that team minimum, though. Honestly, probably 200. Where Dot fake fan? We'll play Dot for either 12 or AA. I just need to play Blade, bro. I'm a Blade main through and through. All right.
All for the thrill.
A tuning mistake.
All right, I used my ult before my turn started. All good.
Bonus round.
Whoa! That's pretty good.
Devil. I'll crush them all.
Best of luck. An explosive start.
The music's been off the whole time. Whoa, this is Honkai. What the fuck? I want to shoot the bomb.
That only. Don't thank me.
Wow! Nice. This is a banger. Ow! Ow! Whoa, whoa! Can you fucking heal me?
People always observe the heavens with my divination. Best of luck. An explosive start.
Whoa, whoa! More like no healing. Sorry.
That only. Don't thank me.
Wiped him out. Unlimited firepower. Next round. Real gaming.
This is so much brain rot. I love it. Whoa. Whoa, that's like blade damage. All right, nice zero cycle. Nice little zero cycle. Nice little zero cycle. Oh wait, I don't want to. Should I enter with chat? Should I enter with Castrus or Blade? I think we all know the answer. My bad. Well, I have no dragon. It's okay, we'll get it. Bruh.
Embrace a new life.
The fight is set.
It's coming.
It's coming. The golden shining star. Let your inner 200. Oh my god.
May death protect us. Please cherish this time as you wish.
Unnecessary.
Bet.
That hurts a bit. I'm Rainbow Bridge.
Unnecessary.
Castrus?
Embrace a new life.
W damage. W damage. W damage.
May death protect us.
W's in the chat. Chat, should I go do a stream on the block of ice in Toronto?
Life is not so built here.
Win set? Cinema.
Savor it for me.
I. Fuck, bro.
Is it coming?
Ewy.
Are you gonna let's play?
I'm still gonna get it, bro. It's fine. Oh wait.
Failed to send you.
May this dispel the gloom, destroy the sky. I shall remember this. Embrace a new life.
I like that she's holding a little wine glass. Does her scythe look different in this skin? Bro. I can't tell. I feel like it does actually. But I can't see her full model. How do I see her full model?
May death protect us.
Ooh, wait, I actually... Oh, wait, no, that eye looks different. Overworld, you can see? Good idea, good idea. Wait, I need to zero cycle. Everybody, look at Blade. Look at the master in work. Let me look up... Wait. I need music for this. Make the ground shake song meme. Okay, I got it. All right.
Brains.
Okay. I mean, we got it, bro. I mean, I took this eye. Whatever, man. Whatever, bro. I fucked up the timing. I thought it would be.
Think of it. I haven't chatted with Sonny in ages. Let's go see what he's up to.
All right, let's run it back. Should I use Sparksy for Kafka, I guess? But, I mean, Blade is not bad into Kafka. Blade is not bad into Kafka. So maybe I just brute force Sparksy here. And Silverwolf, I mean. They're not weak to their types, but who cares? Although this enemy's a little annoying, I think. But I don't think I played Elation into it yet, so... Fuck it, let's do this. Blade, you're gonna win, bro. You're gonna win. Tribby light cone? Why? What is she on? Oh. Alright. Okay. Alright. Let's take this. Get the triple D. Let's get the triple D. Make the ground shake. Okay. What if I just play a real team? What like what would a normal person play? Like Sparksy and Ashvale? Is that what normal people would play? Ashvale? Do I want to play Ashvale? What if I just played Blade? No dot scamming chat once again. Wait, this song is low-key copyrighted. Ashvale benched 5 seconds. Okay, look, I'll play this, and then we'll whip out the Blade again later. What's clearance lineup? Recommended lineup: the Herda, based, Finon, questionable, Casterus, Ron May. What the fuck? Yo, who's playing this? Me. All right. Let's hurry up. We have shit to do.
No need to hesitate. Your judgment brought you this day.
Trying to trick me?
Trying to trick me? Yo, hurry up, bro. Fries in the bag. 2x speed. Currency Wars when? Bro, do you actually want me to play Currency Wars? Be honest.
Soaring above the lands. This is permanent. Fight to the death.
I can do one more thing after this. Either Anomaly or Currency Wars before I gotta go meet my brother. I'm down for either. I'm down for either. Anomaly might be more like stimulating though, you know? It's kind of hard. AA begging. All right, let's hurry this up though. I'll just leave it on auto so it plays faster because MoC is easy. Well, in comparatively. No one said AA? Yo, mods, pull it right now! Pull it right now! Make the ground shake.
I offer my blood. Beasts slaughter each other.
The ground is shook. The ground is shook.
Serenity is before me.
My job is to be nosy.
My job is to be nosy.
Soaring above the lands. This is permanent.
Arthur and I.
What you want the poll to be?
Fight to the death.
Glorp or Gleep? AA or CW? We're either doing Anomaly or Currency Wars.
Arthur and I.
Away we go.
I see through you.
Wait, banger alert?
Beasts
Wait, banger alert?
each other. Fight to the death. Arthur and I.
Soaring above the lands. This is permanent.
Fight to the death. Arthur and I.
Yo, is the new boss's theme good? The one that just came out? The fucking like big flower girl? I guess we're about to find out. No, wait, really?
Watch over you.
Really?
Guide you on your path.
We'll see, we'll see.
Beasts slaughter each other. Fight to the death. Arthur and I.
I feel like every boss they release has a banger theme. Wait, what is auto doing? Whatever, bro. I'll just let it happen.
Beasts slaughter each other. Fight to the death. Arthur and watch over you, guide you on your path.
Watch closely. Is it coming? I feel that flame. Let me go.
Away we go!
To the death. Arthur and soaring above the land. This is permanent.
Wait, what happened? How do I see the poll results on fucking Chatterino? Slash poll.
Fight to the death.
Well, I have to pull up my own stream. I can't see it. Can this fucker die? This fucker die?
Beasts slaughter each other. Fight to the death.
Yo, why did you write yo? Do I have to unmod someone? Why do both options of the poll have skill issue in parentheses? What? It's either anomaly skill issue or CW skill issue 2. What? Basic on Kafka guy? Bro, that happened one time. That happened one time. Let it go.
Beasts slaughter each other. Fight to the death.
When he decided to basic attack.
Arthur and fight to the death.
Cinema.
They can't see me. They can't see me. I'll reveal. Let's have some fun.
Does the Pac-Man thing work if I swap? No, it doesn't.
Let's have some fun.
Fateful clouds scatter.
Honestly, if you're a Star Rail chatter and you want to watch more Star Rail, you should vote Currency Wars, because that means I'll probably stream AA again later, but I might not stream Currency Wars again later. So that's low-key like investing in the long... You're like Topaz. You're investing in the long game.
People always
Playing the long game! Because I wouldn't boot up my stream just for Currency Wars, you know? I just like...
wiped them out.
Am I on auto? No, I'm not.
Top tier play. Unlimited firepower. This next round, real gaming this round.
Crazy! Bravo! Amazing! I did AA off stream one time. That is true. That is true. While I was taking a shit, I had it on auto and I got gold border. Sorry. TMI? My bad. My bad. She's such a clip farmer, bro. I need to stream with Sparksy. We have to do a collab, bro. She's just like me. Loot box. Loot box.
Bonus round.
1.3 M's. Oh my god, 1.6 M's! That's like blade levels!
Don't thank me.
Dude, elation is so synergistic with one another. Holy fuck. Holy heck.
Feeling a little dizzy?
What the fuck? Not today, Miss Kafka! I just got a fucking achievement! You know what? I don't need to use my skill anymore.
Don't thank me.
Wiped him out.
Was that my fucking... That was either Quovo or the fucking Silverwolf's global passive, bro. Oh, I have my ult. I didn't even notice because it wasn't shining. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. You.
Not so fast.
Fiends or devil.
Gat. I gat him cornered. I gat him cornered. Boom. 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 I see we're getting our stacks up too.
Best of luck. An explosive start.
This one cycle got more animation than a whole anime? Yeah. Yep. Get elated, buddy. That's the power of elation. I don't know if I targeted the wrong enemy last time. I wasn't looking. Let's make sure we actually target the right one. Loot box time. What will we get? Damn. +1 cycle. Madge. All right. 6 to... All right. Good job. That was cool. That was fun.
Think of it.
MoC done. Effortless. Beautiful. Amazing. Oh, I need this. I actually need that. Wait. So what won the poll? What won the poll? How do I check? How do I check the poll's results? /poll. Well, how do I see the previous history of polls? /prediction. Bro, how do I see the...